In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FreshBooks accounting software. FreshBooks is a great option for small business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs looking to simplify their bookkeeping. We'll walk through the essential steps to get started, manage clients, and keep track of your finances. So let's dive right in. To use FreshBooks effectively, you'll want to start by setting up your account and business profile. Begin by creating an account using either your email or through Google or Apple. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once inside, complete your business profile by entering detailed information like your company name, industry, and billing preferences. Don't forget to add a personal touch by including your business logo and customizing invoice colors. Also, be sure to enter your company address, base currency, and fiscal year end to ensure accurate financial reporting. Now that your account is set up, it's time to get acquainted with the dashboard. This feature provides a comprehensive overview of your business's financial health, including earnings and overdue payments. You can customize the dashboard by rearranging and selecting widgets that prioritize the information most important to you, such as your sales overview or accounts receivable. The Create New button is also prominently featured, allowing you to quickly add clients' invoices or expenses. Let's talk about managing your clients and invoicing. Start by navigating to the Clients section, where you can easily add new clients by entering their contact information. Creating invoices is just as simple. Click on Create New, select Invoice, or use the Invoices tab and click New Invoice. Add your client, specify the items sold with their respective rates and quantities, and include any applicable taxes or discounts. Customize the appearance and payment options before sending the invoice to your client. If you have regular clients, consider setting up recurring invoices to automate billing for ongoing services. Next, let's ensure you're on top of tracking expenses. Head over to the Expenses section for efficient management of your business costs. Here, you can manually enter details like the merchant, description, and amount, or sync your bank account for automatic import of expenses. To keep everything organized for tax purposes, link your expenses to specific clients or projects and assign them to relevant categories. Lastly, don't overlook some of FreshBooks' additional features. Invite team members by sending them invitations, allowing accountants and employees to access the software with specific roles. Consider downloading the FreshBooks mobile app, available for both iOS and Android, to manage your finances and track time while on the go. The software also integrates with popular platforms like Shopify and PayPal, seamlessly syncing your data and streamlining your operations. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering FreshBooks. It's designed to help you stay organized, save time, and focus on what truly matters: growing your business.